Welcome to today's U.S. citizenship interview practice. This interview is based on a real experience in Albany, New York. The officer asks Catherine about her divorce, boyfriend, job change, a new trip, and many yes-no questions. Let's get started.
Miss Catherine Morales.
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, officer.
How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. Who came with you today?
My daughter and my boyfriend came with me. They're waiting over there.
All right. Is your daughter the young woman sitting near the window?
Yes, she is.
And the gentleman sitting next to her is your boyfriend?
Yes, officer.
Okay, they can remain in the waiting area. Please follow me.
Certainly.
Have you been waiting a long time to talk to me?
About an hour and a half, but that's okay.
Thank you for being patient.
You're welcome.
Did you have any trouble getting here today?
No, we left home early and my boyfriend drove us here.
Good. The office on the right is mine. Please go inside.
Okay.
Before you sit down, we're going to take the oath.
Of course. May I put my things on this chair?
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you.
Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth during today's interview?
Yes, I do.
What did you just promise?
I promise to tell the truth.
Very good. You may put your hand down and take a seat.
Thank you.
May I see your permanent resident card, your driver's license, and your current passport, please?
Yes. Here is my green card. Here is my driver's license. And this is my passport.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this still your current driver's license?
Yes, it is.
Did you bring your old passports with you?
Yes, I brought both my current passport and my expired passport.
Good. Please place the expired passport here. I may look at it when we review your travel history.
Okay.
Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my U.S. citizenship interview.
Did you prepare for the English and civics tests?
Yes, I did. I've been studying since I filed my application.
Do you feel ready?
Yes, I do.
Good. Because you filed your N400 before the 20th of October 2025, you will take the 2008 Civics test based on the 100 questions. I can ask you up to 10 questions. You must answer 6 correctly to pass. I will stop once you have answered 6 questions correctly.
I understand.
Are you ready to begin the civics test?
Yes, I am.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
Correct. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now?
J.D. Vance.
Correct. Correct. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government?
To print money.
Good. In what month do we vote for president?
November.
Correct. What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves?
Africans.
Correct. What are 2 rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of speech and freedom of religion.
Excellent. You answered all 6 questions correctly. You passed the civics test.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Now we'll continue with the reading and writing tests. Please look at the tablet and read the sentence on the screen.
How many senators are in the U.S. Congress?
Very good. You passed the reading test.
Thank you.
Now listen carefully and write the sentence I say on the tablet.
Okay.
The U.S. Congress has 100 senators. The U.S. Congress has 100 senators.
I'm sorry, officer. I made a mistake in this word.
That's correct. Please write it on the tablet. Don't worry, you can cross it out.
May I write the number instead?
Yes. Cross out the word and write the number 100.
Okay, thank you.
Are you finished?
Yes, I am.
Let me take a look. The officer reviews the sentence. That's fine. You passed the writing test.
Thank you so much.
You passed both the English test and the civics test.
I'm very happy to hear that.
You were well prepared.
Thank you. I studied a lot for this interview.
Now we're going to review your Form N400. Please continue to answer every question truthfully.
Yes, officer.
If you do not understand something, ask me to repeat or explain it.
I will.
Are you applying for naturalization through the general process?
Yes, I am.
How are you eligible for naturalization?
I have been a lawful permanent resident for more than 5 years.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
July 6, 2018.
So you have been a permanent resident for almost 8 years.
Yes, that's correct.
How did you get your green card?
Through my marriage to a U.S. citizen.
Was your former husband your sponsor?
Yes, he was.
But you're not applying under the 3-year marriage provision today. Is that correct?
That's correct. I'm applying under the general 5-year provision.
All right. What is your full legal name?
Catherine Morales.
Do you have a middle name?
Oh, yes. My middle name is Elizabeth.
Then please give me your complete legal name, including your middle name.
My full legal name is Catherine Elizabeth Morales.
There it is. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I usually don't say my middle name.
That's all right. Please spell your first name.
Catherine.
Is Catherine Elizabeth Morales the same name shown on your green card?
Yes, it is.
Have you ever used any other names?
Yes, my name at birth was Catherine Elizabeth Reyes Pena.
Why did your name change?
I took my former husband's last name when we got married.
Did you legally return to your maiden name after the divorce?
No, I kept Morales because my children also use that last name.
Would you like to legally change your name today?
No, I would not.
What is your date of birth?
June 14, 1982.
Where were you born?
I was born in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic.
What is your country of citizenship or nationality?
The Dominican Republic.
Are you still a citizen of the Dominican Republic?
Yes, I am.
Do you have citizenship in any other country?
No, I don't.
What is your alien registration number?
095-482-716.
Was either of your parents a U.S. citizen before your 18th birthday?
No.
Do you have a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment that prevents you from meeting the English or civics requirements?
No, I don't.
Do you want the Social Security Administration to issue you a replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status after you become a citizen?
Yes, I do.
What is your Social Security number?
571-453826.
What is your current mobile telephone number?
518-555-2746.
Is your email address still Catherine Morales82@gmail.com?
Yes, it is.
All right. Are you Hispanic or Latino?
Yes, I am.
What is your race?
White.
How tall are you?
5 feet 4 inches.
How much do you weigh?
About 138 pounds.
What color is your hair?
Black.
What color are your eyes?
Brown.
Has any of that information changed since you filed your application?
No.
What is your current physical address?
241 Pine Ridge Drive, Apartment 3C, Albany, New York, 12203.
Is your mailing address the same as your physical address?
Yes, it is.
How long have you lived at that address?
Since March 12, 2022.
Who currently lives there with you?
My 2 children and I live there.
Has your address changed since you submitted your N-400?
No, it hasn't.
Where did you live before that?
I lived at 87 2nd Avenue, Apartment 4, Troy, New York, 12180.
When did you live there?
From August 2018 until March 2022.
Have you lived anywhere else during the last 5 years?
No, I haven't.
What is your current marital status?
I'm divorced.
How many times have you been married?
1 time.
What is the full name of your former husband?
Carlos Antonio Morales.
Is he a U.S. citizen?
Yes, he is.
Was he already a U.S. citizen when you married him?
Yes, he was born in New York.
What is his date of birth?
February 9, 1979.
When did you get married?
June 18, 2016.
Where did you get married?
Albany, New York.
When did you and your former husband stop living together?
We separated in February 2021.
When was your divorce finalized?
October 3, 2024.
Why did the divorce take several years after you separated?
We disagreed about custody and child support, so the case took a long time.
Why did you get divorced?
Because of infidelity.
Was the infidelity on your part?
No, officer. It was on his part.
Thank you for answering honestly.
You're welcome. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you have your final divorce decree with you today?
Yes, I do. It's in this folder. Here it is.
Thank you. Please give me a moment to review it.
Of course.
This is the complete divorce decree, correct?
Yes, it includes all the pages and the judge's signature.
I may need to keep a copy because I don't see the complete document in the electronic file.
That's fine.
Thank you for bringing this. Here is your original document.
Thank you.
Are you receiving child support from your previous husband?
Yes, I am.
Is he current with the payments?
Yes, he is.
Did your previous husband have another child during your marriage?
Yes, he had a child during the relationship that caused our separation.
Did you ever legally adopt that child?
No, I did not.
All right. Since you are divorced and you did not adopt the child, I'm not going to list that child as your stepchild on this application.
Okay.
Are you currently in a relationship?
Yes, the man who came with me today is my boyfriend.
How long have you been together?
About a year and a half.
Are you currently married to him or engaged to him?
No, we're only dating.
All right. How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
Are they both your biological children?
Yes, they are.
What is your daughter's full name?
Daniela Sofia Morales.
What is her date of birth?
March 22nd, 2007.
Is Daniela the daughter who came with you today?
Yes, she is.
How old is she now?
She's 19.
Is she a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she became a citizen through naturalization last year.
Did she have her interview in this office too?
Yes, she did. She passed first and encouraged me to apply.
That's wonderful.
She told me, "Mom, I passed. You can do it too."
It sounds like she was a good teacher.
Yes, she practiced with me almost every day.
What is your son's full name?
Adrian Lewis Morales.
What is his date of birth?
September 11, 2011.
Does he live with you?
Yes, both of my children live with me.
Do you provide financial support for both children?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any adopted children?
No.
Do you have any other biological children or stepchildren that we haven't discussed?
No, officer.
Are you currently employed?
Not by an employer right now.
Your application says that you worked for Hampton Inn and Suites, Albany downtown. Is that no longer correct?
That's right. I stopped working there about 1 month ago.
What was your last day of work?
April 3rd, 2026.
Why did you leave that job?
I want to start my own residential cleaning business.
What was your position at the hotel?
I was a housekeeping supervisor.
What did you do in that position?
I inspected rooms, prepared work schedules, trained new housekeepers, and helped clean rooms when the hotel was busy.
When did you begin working there?
January 11, 2021.
What are you doing now?
I'm preparing the documents for my own company.
What is the name of the company you are preparing to open?
Capital Home Cleaning Services, LLC.
Has the company started operating yet?
No, I'm still completing the registration, insurance, and business paperwork.
So at this moment, you're not employed and the business has not started operating. Is that accurate?
Yes, that's accurate.
Did you receive unemployment benefits after leaving the hotel?
No, I did not.
Did you have any other employers during the last 5 years?
No, I worked at the same hotel throughout that period.
All right. I'll update your application with your last day of employment and the information about the business you're preparing to open.
Thank you.
Have you traveled outside the United States during the last 5 years?
Yes, I have.
How many trips have you taken?
I listed 3 trips on my application, but I took 1 additional trip after I filed my N-400. I would like to update my travel history today.
All right, so you have now taken a total of 4 trips. Is that correct?
Yes, officer.
Let me get the information about the additional trip. Where did you go?
I went to the Dominican Republic.
When did you leave the United States?
December 12, 2025.
When did you return to the United States?
December 27th, 2025.
What was the purpose of that trip?
I went there to visit my mother and other relatives.
Was that your most recent trip outside the United States?
Yes, it was.
How many days did you spend outside the United States on that trip?
15 days.
According to your application, your first 3 trips totaled 32 days. With this additional 15-day trip, you have now taken 4 trips and spent a total of 47 days outside the United States. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Were all 4 trips to the Dominican Republic?
Yes, they were.
Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer?
No, officer.
Since becoming a lawful permanent resident, have you ever lived outside the United States for 6 months or longer at one time?
No, I haven't.
All right. I have added the December 2025 trip and updated your travel history to show 4 trips and 47 total days outside the United States.
Thank you, officer.
Now we'll continue with the yes or no questions in Part 9 of your N400. I will move fairly quickly. Answer only yes or no, unless I ask you for more information.
Yes, officer.
If you don't hear a complete question, don't guess. Ask me to repeat it.
I understand.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen, in writing or any other way?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
No.
Have you filed all required tax returns?
Yes.
Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported, or promoted any opposition to all organized government?
No.
Have you ever been a member of or involved in world communism?
No.
Have you ever associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated the establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship?
No.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow by force, violence, or other unconstitutional means of the government of the United States or all forms of law?
No.
Have you ever advocated the unlawful assaulting or killing of any officer of the government of the United States or of any other organized government because of that person's official position?
No.
Have you ever associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated the unlawful damage, injury, or destruction of property?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported, or promoted any sabotage?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, associated with, or provided money, services, labor, or any other support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or damage property?
No.
Have you ever been involved with a group that engaged in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage of an airplane, ship, vehicle, or other mode of transportation?
No.
Have you ever threatened, attempted, conspired, prepared, planned, advocated for, or encouraged others to commit any of those acts?
No.
Have you ever ordered, encouraged, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in torture?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes.
Have you ever ordered, encouraged, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in genocide?
No.
Have you ever participated in killing or trying to kill any person?
No.
Have you ever ordered, encouraged, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in intentionally and severely injuring or trying to injure any person?
No.
Have you ever participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with a person who did not consent, was unable to consent, or was being forced or threatened by you or someone else?
No.
Have you ever ordered, encouraged, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in preventing someone from practicing his or her religion?
No.
Have you ever participated in causing harm or suffering to any person because of that person's race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any military or police unit?
No.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any armed group, such as a paramilitary unit, self-defense unit, vigilante unit, rebel group, or guerrilla group?
No.
Have you ever worked, volunteered, or otherwise served in a place where people were detained, such as a prison, jail, prison camp, detention facility, or labor camp? Or participated in any other activity that involved detaining people?
No.
Were you ever part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No.
Have you ever sold, provided, or transported weapons, or helped anyone sell, provide, or transport weapons that you knew or believed would be used against another person?
No.
Have you ever received any weapons training, paramilitary training, or other military-type training?
No.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
Have you ever recruited, enlisted, conscripted, or used any person under 15 years of age to serve in or help an armed group, or attempted or worked with others to do so?
No.
Have you ever used any person under 15 years of age to take part in hostilities, or attempted or worked with others to do so?
No.
Have you ever participated in combat or provided services related to combat, such as serving as a messenger or transporting supplies?
No.
Is something wrong?
No. You're just going very fast.
I am, but you understand everything I'm asking you, correct?
Yes, I do.
Good. Let me know if you need me to slow down.
I will. Thank you.
Have you ever committed, agreed to commit, asked someone else to commit, helped commit, or tried to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
No.
Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled?
No.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, attempted to procure or import prostitutes or persons for prostitution, or received any money from prostitution?
No.
Have you ever manufactured, cultivated, produced, distributed, dispensed, sold, or smuggled any controlled substances, illegal drugs, narcotics, or drug paraphernalia in violation of any law?
No.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at the same time?
No.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
Have you ever helped anyone enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Have you ever failed to support your dependents, pay child support, or pay alimony?
No.
You told me that you receive child support. You have never been ordered to pay child support or alimony yourself. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
I'm sorry, officer. Could you please repeat the whole question?
Of course. Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No.
Thank you. You did the right thing by asking me to repeat it.
Thank you. I didn't want to answer until I heard the complete question.
Have you ever given any U.S. government official any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to gain entry or admission into the United States, or to gain an immigration benefit while in the United States?
No.
Have you ever been placed in removal, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
No.
Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States?
No.
Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Do you now have, or did you ever have, a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Very good. That completes the yes or no questions.
Okay.
Before we finish, let's review the changes we made today.
Okay.
I added your middle name to your verbal confirmation, recorded the December 2025 trip, and updated your employment to show that you left the hotel on the 3rd of April 2026.
That's correct.
I also noted that you are preparing to open a cleaning business, but that it has not started operating yet.
Yes, that's correct.
Your current address, telephone number, and email address have not changed.
Correct.
Your divorce was finalized on the 3rd of October 2024, and I added a complete copy of the divorce decree to your file.
Yes.
Please review the information on the tablet. Take your time and make sure everything is correct.
Okay.
Is everything correct?
Yes, officer. Everything is correct.
Please sign your application by pressing the pink signature button.
The pink button at the bottom?
Yes, that's the one.
I finished signing.
Thank you. Now please review the oath of allegiance. If you understand it and agree with it, sign at the bottom. Are you planning to travel outside the United States soon?
Yes, I'm planning to travel to the Dominican Republic in August.
What dates are you planning to travel?
From August 8th through August 22nd.
Thank you. Let me check the available oath ceremony dates. I have an oath ceremony available next month, on June 18th. Would that give you enough time before your trip?
Yes, absolutely.
Good. I'm scheduling you for that ceremony.
Thank you so much.
Catherine, congratulations. You passed the English and Civics tests, and I am recommending your N400 application for approval.
I'm sorry. These are happy tears.
You don't need to apologize. You worked hard for this.
I did. I was afraid to apply for years because of my English. I can't believe I did it.
You did very well today. You were calm, prepared, and honest.
Thank you. This means so much to me.
This paper confirms that you passed the tests and that your application is being recommended for approval.
Thank you.
And this is your oath ceremony information for June 18th. Read the instructions carefully, answer the questions on the back on the day of the ceremony, and bring your green card with you.
I will.
After you take the oath and receive your certificate of naturalization, you may apply for a U.S. passport.
Can I apply for the passport right away?
Yes, because you're traveling in August, I recommend applying as soon as possible after the ceremony. You may also request expedited service if you need it.
That's very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
May I ask one more question?
Certainly.
Is there anything else I need to send to USCIS before the ceremony?
No, I have the divorce decree and all the information I need. Just continue checking your online account in case there is an update.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
No, officer.
All right, congratulations again.
Thank you so much for being patient and kind to me.
You're very welcome. Let me walk you back to the waiting area.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.